Good morning. This is Vicky David. Welcome to my official channel. I'm the founder and CEO of the training company. Since entire 1 week, we have been covering the Morningstar data analyst hiring process. I have been sharing complete information right from the online assessment to CIS to survey session. And today, the final day is here, which is the face-to-face interview of candidates who have been shortlisted after the CIS and survey session. I'm going to meet a lot of candidates today, interact with them before they go for their interview, and I'm also going to be here the entire day and meet them after their interview is done and understand the whole experience so that it can benefit those who would be having interviews in near future. So if you're somebody who is new on this channel, I would request you to subscribe and consider being on this entire video to gain complete insight. Right now, reporting from Morningstar, Vashi location. Like I told you, I promise you I'll be there on the ground to report how's the vibe in the air. With me, I have three trainees of mine. I'm going to quickly ask them without taking much of their time because interviews are scheduled from 9:45. Let me go to the first mentee and ask how is her preparation and get you the complete experience. So hi, what's your name?
Hello, sir. I'm from Billapur.
You're from Badlapur.
Yes.
What's your education background like?
Well, I'm completed my computers engineering degree from Tena College, Nerul, with a CGPA of 9.2.
All right. And how are you prepared for today's interview? What preparation have you considered?
Well, as the role is for data analysis, I have prepared in that way. I have done a few data analysis project during my internship as data analyst, so I do have knowledge in that things, and I also have hands-on experience with Python, its data visualization techniques and all.
Great. So you are not from the finance background, but then you have undertaken projects which have given you complete experience.
Yes, I'm not from finance, but I have done the projects, I have done certifications, so I do have the knowledge of the data analysis.
Okay, interesting. And one big question, like without taking much of your time, how are you feeling? Are you nervous or excited?
Well, it's the mix of both feelings. I'm nervous and excited because uh, I don't know what environment will be inside, but I will try to give my best.
All right. Wish you all the best, and would like to know how your interview experience happens. I'll be, checking with you once again after that. I'll come back to you. Thank you so much. Hi. What's your name?
My name is. I'm from Panvel, and recently I came for the interview.
All right. And what's your educational background like?
I recently completed my bachelor's degree in the domain of electronics and computer science from Pillai HSC College of Engineering and Technology.
Okay, so you all also are not from finance background, but you're from engineering. Is that right? Great. So, have you done any hands-on on project?
Yes, I did some data analytics projects, and also I gained the knowledge of that domain. So I have the quite knowledge and good foundations of these tools and technologies of data analysis.
All right, that's great, interesting, and I think that's the very reason you must have got shortlisted. So, one big question: the way I have asked, how are you feeling? Are you excited or are you nervous?
Yes, I'm quite nervous but more excited because I dreamed of that company and I'm going to give the interviews.
Fantastic. And how is the preparation like? We have also done mock interview, both of you, right? So, do you think that has also helped you some way?
Yes, it's helped a lot, and I prepared my resume, like entire resume, what I mentioned in that. So I prepared alongside, and I brushed up the SQL, Excel, like data analytics tools and technologies for the interview.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hi, what's your name and where are you from?
Hello, sir. My name is. I'm from Panvel. I have completed my bachelor's in electronics and computer science with honors AI/ML with 7.74 CGPA.
All right. So the interesting thing is, all of them are from non-finance background. That is interesting. A lot of people had that confusion that they are calling only finance people, but that's not the case here. We are talking with live people. So, how have you prepared for today's interview?
Well, sir, I have done some certification course and even I have done internship in data analyst. So through that, I have developed projects. So on the base of that project, I have prepared some topics and I have cleared my concept on that.
Fantastic. And the same question, the big question before you go inside, how is the feeling? Are you nervous or are you excited?
Mixed feelings, sir, because as a fresher, this is my second or third interview, and for data analysis, this is my first time. So I'm too nervous to be honest. But yeah, I'm same time I'm excited too.
All right. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best to all of you. And I'll be right here. I don't know how much time it's going to take. Maybe it'll take a couple of hours or maybe it might take entire day. But I would want to support you in all the way possible. And like I mentioned to, all of the students right here and those who are watching. As a coach, I can't be inside with you. Now your game starts from here. You're going to be on the field. So all the best and make your parents and myself and all your close ones proud. All the best. Thank you so much, girls. All right, guys. It is in the afternoon, 1 o'clock. I have with me. She's the first candidate that we are getting to talk to from her first round, right? She has gone inside in the morning around 10 o'clock and now you're here. How was the whole experience, if you can tell us?
It was quite a good experience. I tried to give my best during the interview, and I also found out what I need to prepare better for next time.
And if you can tell us the whole experience, right? The moment from you entered the premises, how was the organization, how was the vibe, and how many people you got to see there, and everything in details. If you can tell somebody who's watching, who probably would be having this interview in the next few days or something like that, if you can narrate that whole experience.
The overall experience was good. There were quite 100 to 150 people, and the staff was quite helpful. We were asked to sit in this waiting area and then called in the batches for the interview rounds. And then after interview, we were told to stay back in cafeteria to get back with the results.
All right. Well, did they give you coffee, tea, something like that? Like, how was the provision?
Provided it was and we were free to have anything we want.
Right. If I ask you, how many people did you see that would have come for the interview for the same position? Approximate number. 150. So 150 is a huge number, and that's why you said they were taking interviews in batches.
They were calling in. There was 1-to-1 round only. They were shifting us in batch, sorting us in numbers with HR, and then there was 1-to-1 interviews.
All right. So what I'm trying to understand is I'm just trying to visualize it. So they were like 25 group. They were taken inside in a waiting room, another separate room or something, and from there one by one they were calling you all inside, right? Were they taking your CV also at that very moment, or they had it already in their system?
They asked us for provide us with the CV, and they went through that and answered questions based on that.
Great. And how many questions would have asked to you? Like, what kind of questions were they?
A few of the questions were based on my CV, my education background, and few on the basis of what's company is about and what's the culture in the company like that.
All right. And how long did this one-on-one interview last in your case?
Like 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes. Do you remember the name of the person who took your interview?
No, I actually didn't just ask her name. But, she was quite intimidating and asked very questions. And
So, were there any questions that we had also practiced during the mock interview?
there were questions based on like and inspirational questions as well were included.
Right. So, do you think that mock interview also helped a little bit? Right. So, it was somewhat realistic. If I say that would not be wrong. Is that correct?
Yes, it was quite realistic.
Fantastic. So now they have asked you to, wait for their call, or what is the status like?
They will get back with us through email.
Okay, great. And now, which I have asked you in the morning, you were feeling a mixed emotion of excitement and nervous. How do you feel like after having performed well as per yourself, right? How do you feel today?
Well, now I feel quite calm that I have given the interview, and like I have this eagerness to get a feedback now.
Okay, great. So wish you all the best. I would request you to keep everybody posted, including our YouTube community, those who are watching. And I think whatever you have shared is going to be really helpful for those who have interviews lined up in the coming days, or also for somebody who is watching in 2026, 2027. This is going to be of immense help. I'm really thankful for you sharing that experience with us.
Thank you so much for
Great. All the best. We'll stay in touch. Bye-bye. So, guys, it's almost 3. And I'm still in Vashi. As you can see, that's the Vashi station. With me, I have Ajinkya, who's still accompanying me. We have had lunch. Ajinkya, thank you so much. Appreciate your company. because he's a localite and happy to meet after so many days. So that's one, and Ritesh is still with me, and of course his exams are also there. So we are now concerned how we are going to give the exam, but overall we are still waiting. That's the Morningstar building. We are here waiting for updates from two of my students. So guys, it's 5:15. I am there, Ajinkya is there, my friend Ritesh is also there, and we are still at outside Morningstar waiting for process to end and students to come out and see how it works out. Guys, 6 बज रहे हैं और देख सकते हैं मॉर्निंगस्टार मेरे सामने है। तो इसी लोकेशन पे वेट कर रहा हूँ। मेरी एक स्टूडेंट है, सुबह हम 9 बजे मिले थे, अभी देख ही सकते हैं ऑलमोस्ट 6 बज गए हैं। वेट कर रहे हैं और मुझे उम्मीद है कि उन्होंने इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर लिया होगा। आने देते हैं, उनका वेट कर रहा हूँ, देखते हैं कैसे वर्कआउट होते हैं। और रिग्रेट कर रहा हूँ कार से नहीं आया, मैं कार नहीं लेके आया। कार में आता तो कम से कम एसी में तो बैठता, बट अब जो है झुलस रहा हूँ दिन भर धूप में। अब थोड़ा ठंडा हो रहा है, चिल हो रहा है। चलो स्टूडेंट तो अंदर, खैर उनको तो एसी है, बट ऑफ कोर्स उनका जो नर्वसनेस होगा उसको तो मैं कंपेयर नहीं कर सकता। एटलीस्ट आई एम रिलैक्स मेंटली, बट आई एम इक्वली एक्साइटेड एंड नर्वस एट द सेम टाइम, जस्ट लाइक हाउ दे वर इन द मॉर्निंग, टू नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इनसाइड। तो टोटल 3 लोगों से हमने बात की थी। एक अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्लियर नहीं कर पाई, वो दोपहर में ही आ गई थी। दूसरी भी शायद नहीं क्लियर कर पाई, लेकिन उनका नंबर मेरे पास था नहीं, कुड नॉट कोऑर्डिनेट। हालांकि कोशिश करूँगा कि गूगल मीट पे बात कर लें। अब थर्ड जो है उनसे मेरी बात चल रही है, कंटिन्यू मैं अपडेट ले रहा हूँ। शी इज़ इनसाइड, सेकेंड राउंड भी क्लियर कर लिया गया है, उनको बोला गया वेट करने के लिए। सो लेट हर कम एंड सी व्हाट हैपन्स, व्हाट इज द डेवलपमेंट लाइक। फिलहाल इसी तरीके से बैठे हैं। ऑलमोस्ट 6:35, 6:40 in fact. Last update was 1 hour ago, so we are just having tea, keeping ourselves refreshed and energetic. The lights have gone down, so let's see. We are excited to see her and getting update. For you it will be like within few minutes. For us, we are spending entire day, so do hit that like button for this effort, guys. You got to do that. I owe this. Guys, it's 7, tea is done, और अभी जस्ट मैसेज आ रहा है। आई एम पुटिंग अ स्क्रीनशॉट दैट माई स्टूडेंट हैज़ गॉट सेलेक्टेड। आई एम सुपर हैप्पी। आई एम जस्ट कोऑर्डिनेटिंग विथ हर कि व्हाट टाइम शी इज़ नाउ कमिंग बैक। लेट हर कम बैक एंड I'll show you who she is and how her experience has been. I'm more excited than her and of course more excited than you. आप तो चलो रिकॉर्डिंग में आपको पता ही चल गया थंबनेल वगैरह देख के, but right now I'm live. So bro, we are waiting for her. Let's see how it works, man. Light conditions थोड़ी low हो गई है, but we'll manage to bring out the best video. That's what we will do. Let's see what time she comes out. Alright guys, I'm outside Vashi station and with me I have again who I saw in the morning, and it's been almost over 10 hours that we met, and now I will not waste any further time because it was entire day that I was waiting for her updates and others updates. So let me ask, how did the whole experience be? If you can share our listeners and viewers, the moment you left us and you went inside the premises, how was this experience till the time you are here now?
Hello, sir. Firstly, they told me to wait in waiting room. Then they made the batches of like 20 to 30 students, and they told us to went to that particular room for the interview process. So the HR had came at like 10:15, and she told us that the interview will start from the 10:30 p.m. and it's like
10:30 a.m. right?
Sorry,
Yeah.
10:30 a.m. So after that, the batches allocated, and accordingly the interview starts from the 10:30. And the first round, after waiting, I had my first round at something 12:30. So it was for up to like 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. And then after that, I got that first round result at like 4:30 p.m. And after that, I went to the second round, and I finished the second round, and I got result like at 6:30 to 6:45 p.m.
Alright, first thing first, have you informed your family?
No, sir, not now.
Okay, so formally I may be first or not the first, but of course first, then your family that you're letting us know everybody at this hour. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how is the feeling like? How are you feeling now? You were excited and nervous in the morning, but now that you have cracked it, what is it going on in your mind right now?
Excited as well as nervous also that this is my this will a new journey for me, so I'm quite nervous that how will it goes, how will I manage employees and also that part for I am nervous. And a lot along with that I am so excited and happy too, because this was my dream company and I got selected in this, so I'm so happy for it. And yes,
All right, fantastic. This is your first job, is that right?
actually it is second, but I recently joined one company. It was startup company, but this is the second company.
All right, and first thing is like how many people were involved in taking your interview? Like, was it one HR, the same person, or were there multiple HRs in the different rounds?
Multiple, like in first round there was two panels, and in the second round there was one. So the all was different.
All right, did they discuss salary as well?
So they told us that we'll discuss after receiving the offer letter and all. So next week they'll talk to us about this.
All right, and have they given you any date of joining or something, or any date that this is the date you will receive your offer? Because today we are on Saturday 8th and tomorrow is a Sunday, which is a holiday. So when have they asked you to show up in the office?
They told that we'll receive the offer letter in next week, and the joining will be in on 22 November or 1st of December. So it's not confirmed, but they told that we'll inform you in next week.
All right, what were the questions like, and were they quite common to the mock interview we did last night? How were they?
It's 60%, 60 to 70% of the mock interview question were asked first the common one, that is tell me about yourself, then why should we hire, why Morningstar.
So I think this was the first question in yesterday's mock interview we did. Why should we hire you? Because you're not from finance background. So that was something which they asked, right?
Yes, sir. So I answered accordingly, like whatever you told me, I answered accordingly. Then they asked about are you comfortable to do the night shifts and all, and then they asked me about the situations question, if the conflicts happen in your team, then how can you resolve and all. And I it was quite situational. Like every question was situational based. Technical questions they didn't ask me. Everything was non-technical, like situation and behavior based.
All right. In fact, I'm so happy that 70% of the mock interview questions were asked. In fact, when you talk about, you spoke about conflicts. I remember in yesterday's mock interview, I asked you if these projects were or in team, and you told me they were individual. Most of them, out of 3 projects were individual, right? And then I had asked you. Here in Morningstar, you'd be working in a team, and there could be a situation of conflicts, misunderstanding, how you're going to cope. And I think that's exactly what they asked you.
Yes, exactly.
Fantastic. These projects that you worked with, 4 projects, right, including the Blinkit, which you explained me, were these individual projects or were these group projects?
The three that data analytics project was my own individual project, and the fourth that the EVCS, that was my final year group project.
Okay. Now, out of these 4, the maximum that you worked is an individual kind of a setup, right? But
Yes.
here with Morningstar, you will be put up into a team, and your dependency will be on the other person, and it may result in delay, it may result in miscoordination, miscommunication. How would you cope up with that?
Exactly.
Fantastic. So I feel great that we were able to achieve as realistic as this was. If I can ask you, other than these, anything specific that you would advise for those who are watching who got shortlisted, what piece of advice performed well and shown a commendable performance?
So from my point of view, this candidate have to get the knowledge of entire Morningstar, like how, what are they working, how they are like using their tools and technology, because it's totally non-technical. So the technical knowledge will not work here. So we have to prepare for the complete company, like what is Morningstar, what they are providing, what's their products, and they only ask about the company, like what knowledge you have about our company, and the JD. They ask what you have learned from the JD. So tell that. So that thing they asked.
I think that was asked because in yesterday's email for email interview confirmation, they have attached a job description as well. Maybe that's the reason they wanted to check your knowledge, whether you have gone through it or not, right?
Yes, yes.
All right. One big question: how was the premises? How was the atmosphere? How was the company's vibe when you went inside?
It was totally different, like what I thought, and it's completely different. It was too good, and the employees are too like supportive and uh, so chill. They was like they didn't get that, what we can say, they didn't pressurize us for this. They like maintain the chill environment. They was too supportive.
Okay, one last question. This still time for you to join, but I'm sure the moment you get your first salary from Morningstar, how are you going to spend it?
I'll completely give to my mother first, like when I receive, and then uh, I will take my 20 to 30% salary to the savings. So for the future, and apart from that 70-60%, I will spend, like I will help my family, or I will spend to me, like whatever uh, thing I want to do. So,
Okay, fantastic. Most importantly, we are not showing the candidates' faces because वो आपने कहावत सुनी होगी कि मामला फिलहाल कोर्ट में चल रहा है तो मीडिया में बात नहीं कर सकते. उसी तरह से ये भी कुछ वैसा ही मामला है. एप्लीकेशन ऑलरेडी प्रोसेस हो रहा है, ऑफर लेटर बनने वाला है. सो वी डोंट वांट एनी प्रॉब्लम फॉर दिस कैंडिडेट हु हैज गॉट सेलेक्टेड कि ये बाहर आके हमको ये एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करिए. बट आई रियली वांट यू टू गिव अ बिग थम्स अप टू हर एंड ऑफ कोर्स मी फॉर you sharing everything. We are so grateful to you for sharing your entire experience.
thank you so much, sir, and thank you too to help us to like give the support and for the mock interview as well. So it helps a lot to me.
Pleasure is mine. And here's one thing I would want you to do for all our viewers. Still time for you to join, like 1st of December. Consider 1st of December. After you have spent 1 month with the organization, I would like to, have you once again with us. The next time we are there, maybe we can, come on the camera as well. We never know, because you'll be part of the organization. You'll be more inclined with their policies. We'll have clarity whether you can come on the camera or not. And we would like to have a small conversation again with you after 1 month to see your experience. Would you be comfortable doing that?
Yes, sir, sure.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. It's evening 7:35, guys, and this is where we end. And I'm glad you did it. Any idea what happened with Pallavi, your friend?
uh, it's like she was Shruti Pallavi.
Oh, sorry, I forgot her name. Shruti, right? Okay, what happened with Shruti? Did you get to talk to her?
Yes, like after the round one, she got the message that she got rejected. So she left the place.
And any idea why that must have happened?
I really don't know about it.
All right, if possible, will.
Yes, I'll talk to her and get what happened.
Sure, that'll be great, because that will also help us to avoid those mistakes, for those who are going on. So I think, guys, that's about it. Now I'm going to head back to my home. So it's already the time, and I will see you in the studio. You stay in the video. So guys, finally आया हूँ अपनी पार्किंग में. मतलब अपनी पार्किंग, मतलब यहाँ जहाँ मैंने बाइक पार्क की थी, और अभी यहाँ से निकलने वाला हूँ घर पे. वीडियो को यहीं एंड करने का सोच रहा हूँ. अभी देखिए, जो सवाल मैंने आपके सामने पूछे कैंडिडेट को, हो सकता है कुछ सवाल मैं इम्पोर्टेंट मैंने याद करके भी लाया था, बट भूल गया हूँ उस खुशी में कि वो कैंडिडेट सेलेक्ट हो गया. तो और लेट भी बहुत हो रहा था उनको. इट इज़ लाइक 8 ऑलमोस्ट बज ही चुके हैं, और लड़की हैं, दूर से आई है. तो जितना मैं उनको जल्दी में पूछ सकता था, जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं वो मैंने उनको पूछे हैं. बाकी ये जो एफर्ट्स मैंने दिया है और आपके लिए वीडियो लाया है, लाने का पर्पज़ यही है, भले आपने इंटरव्यू में सेलेक्ट नहीं हुए हो, बट ये देखो, आपको हेल्प होगी. दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर दोज ऑल्सो हु हैज़ नॉट बीन शॉर्टलिस्टेड फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू, who got rejected at level 0, who were not even invited to CIS or survey session, who could not clear their online assessment. But one day you will, and when that day comes, you should know how well you should prepare for these kind of interviews. These were real candidates, real workplace where I am at, Vashi, and this was an entire ground report. The video may have been lengthy, but trust me, we keep everything raw and as real as possible. So if you're somebody new, do consider subscribing the channel, and if you have been following this online videos of Morningstar hiring, I would want you to hit that like button for us to be able to produce such more contents. And like I promised at the end, and I took that promise from this candidate, after 1 month, once she completes 1 month with Morningstar, we will take her feedback, like how is the work culture, how is the atmosphere, and how is it been working as a data analyst 1 month old in Morningstar. So that's from me right now, from Vashi. Before I head and go home, do consider subscribing the channel, share this video with all the aspirants who wish to work with Morningstar or similar companies in the data analyst role. And remember, persistence is important, consistency is key, and luck favors those who are prepared. Bye-bye.